Hello everywhere, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious pancake for 2 persons.
First you will need 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 good tablespoon baking powder, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon oil of metal butter and 1 tablespoon with sugar. Crack 1 egg into the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of milk. And add 1 good tablespoon baking powder. Mixing. Then I mix 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of with sugar. Next, I heat pan, grease it lightly. And pour in the ladle of butter. Cook each pancake for about 1 minute per side until golden. To finish, serve as soon as possible with butter and warm maple syrup. Enjoy!